Hey guys, it's me, Kyron, and here's me using my central vacuum to clean out this big mess test. Let's go. But hold on. I already know where the blockage is. I'm sure if you guys can tell, you're smart. Exactly where I expected it, because it's just blocked up in a very expected spot, and that was where I have it going by my door. It causes just blockages some days. And you can also see more updates to my central vac. Oop, I missed some. Sorry, guys. May as well clean it up. Oh. Here's my new favorite style of cordless, is these Black & Decker. I know they're actually the dumbest style of bagless that you can have. A little cover over a basic dumb filter, but for me, it's my bagless cordless. This thing actually, surprisingly, takes forever for the filter to plug up. Unless you're sucking up like super fine powder dust that it just goes in through here and then right into that filter, which I don't like. But otherwise, if you're using this thing, it's amazing. I would actually recommend this to a bagless consumer, but I would show them how to empty it. Step 1. I would also show them how to, if they do not have a bigger vacuum, they should, but even your cordless will clean this cordless if you have like a Dyson or something. But this, very important to keep clean. I know that they make like the Oric pod that's bagged, but every other cordless except the Oric pod, I would recommend, including the Oric pod. Hold on. I do recommend all sorts of Dyson cordlesses, But if you're gonna buy a cordless, it either needs to be an Oric Pod or a Dyson. No Xiaomi or any other knockoff brands except Dyson or the Oric Pod. Don't go out and buy a Oric branded knockoff non-bag canister, or even if you guys, I know if I have any UK viewers, if you live out in the UK, you'll have the Goblin, or not Goblin, it's the G-Tech Air Ram, or not the G-Tech Air Ram, it's a G-Tech stick cordless vacuum that's bagged. With actually a decent sized bag, I'd buy that. And just to show, that's my one oldest Dyson that I own. I can actually, hold on guys. You guys can see my phone camera. Which works, whoa, my phone is warm. It's, if anybody's seen an iPhone 6, it's what it is. Now oh, hold on guys, I'm sorry. Sorry about this part. Got to grab something on my way back over there. But I'll show you guys once I get into there. Legit, you can fill these bags to capacity. I filled one of these recently to full capacity. I updated this so that I've actually got proper Miele style. Not Miele, but about that. You can see how full. Oh wow, this bag's starting to become, showing me, oh hey, maybe I need to be changed. Not for a while. Hopefully I can find on some sort of, on Amazon or somewhere. That's all, this thing isn't, sorry guys. It wasn't shutting because it was doing this. Never had that happen to me before. There we go, let's shove this in there without trying to sound anything. There we go. Bag is changed to our cleaned out new bag. Here's my thing. Literally, as I was bringing it in, after I'd gotten it cleaned up, this plastic leg, these joints here, broke, so now I can't lift it up. Before it would come up easy peasy, but now it doesn't, but that's okay. Now, if I had 1,000, I know I have never plugged this before, but if I had 1,000 subscribers, I would do a live video twice a week or something, or more. If you guys asked me to do it more times a week, I would do that. Please subscribe, like, and comment, or at least it wasn't me saying it in any of my videos. Maybe my siblings have, but it's just me. You can see how well the Vissel work is holding up. I'd say it's holding up amazingly, considering I've only owned it about a week. You can see the scuffs, because how much I use it. Doesn't matter. But, can you see it? Oh, no. But, if I look in there, it's still pretty clean. It is worked real well. It's the Miele style mono wheel tool. Some people would say it's a Miele tool, and that you just bought a 32mm neck version. No, it's a genuine Vissel bare floor tool, bare floor carpet. This is the first carpet tool that I've ever used it on the carpet setting, because it works well in the carpet setting for carpets. Usually I'd stick it to the bare floor setting if a tool would do that with all the other stuff that I own. but not this. And you can tell how much I've used it. Focus. Oh, if you look right there, you can see lint starting to gather in the corners, and I'm okay with that. It shows me that I've been using it enough. And I got a metal extension wand on Friday, last Friday. Today's Thursday, as you will know if you look back on the if you look back on the posted date and all that. But today is January 30th, 2020. And here is me with this. This is a very nice vacuum head. I will say, works great. If you liked this video, leave a thumbs up. If you thought that this video was... If you like my content, please subscribe and comment below. Bye, guys. This has been a Kyr End video. Sorry if it's taking a second. Sorry about this. My phone is